Welcome student. In the second part of the video, levels of the government. I think you must understand about the definition of government and now the three levels of the government, because only by the central government or by the prime minister all entire your country it is not possible to rule or do the work very efficiently. So the government divided the work on three levels, because in order to perform all functions efficiently a government functions at different levels. In India, government functions at three levels. Government functions at three levels: central government, state government and local self government. Central government means union government, prime minister. On central level means prime minister, and state level means chief minister, and local self department means gram panchayat or jila panchayat and nagar nigam also. So the three levels of Indian government. It is based in, the central government makes law for the entire country, and it is based in New Delhi, because our central government based in New Delhi, and the state government makes law for a state. Clear है? Yes, central government makes the law for entire country, and state government only makes the law only for their state. Like UP means Mr. Yogi Adityanath makes the law only for the UP, not for other state. But the central government makes the law for entire all country, for all states. And local self-government means the government functions in a city, town or village. Local self-government. You can see in this picture that local self-government means municipal, local government divided in two parts: municipality and panchayat. Municipality works in the city and panchayat work in the village. Municipality means municipal corporation, municipal council and nagar panchayat. And panchayat, village panchayat and district panchayat, intermediate panchayat and village panchayat. You must hear about the gram pradhan. So it is related to panchayat. And nagar nigam adhikari, so they belong to municipality. And you know that you got water supply, sewer connections, gas connections, all these functions did by the municipality. And in the panchayat means the related to village area. So in the rule and regulations by the panchayat makes for the villages area. And now law and people means on the three levels in our country there are three levels of government: central level, state level, local level. But now the law and people are three type of government or three levels of government makes the law. At each level of the governance, a government performs its functions by making and enforcing law. For example, in order to ensure the safety of the people on the roads, there is a law that all people driving a car must wear their seat belt, as a means to make people obey this law. Anybody caught violating the law is penalized, means punished. If anybody disobey the rules, will be punished. The enforcement of law is important, and without the enforcement, law would not be of much use. The people of a country also play a vital role in the enforcement of law, because the government only can make the law, but it is the duty of the citizens to follow these rules and success the rules. So without the help of the people, a government can't run. If the citizens of country feel that a particular law is not being followed, they are entitled to go to the court For example, the law of the country prohibits discrimination on the basis of caste, class, or gender. Thus, if a person discriminated on these grounds, they can go to the court to seek justice. The people of the country also play a vital role in the enforcement of law. If the citizens of a country feel a particular law is not being followed, they are entitled to go to the court. Because in our country is a secular country and nobody can be discriminated on the basis of caste, class or gender. Means किसी को caste के लिए means कि you belong from the higher class or you belong from the lower caste, no one can discriminate. And also class means ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय और gender means women और men. कि मैन है तो उन्हें ज़्यादा सैलरी पे होगी और वीमेन है तो उन्हें कम सैलरी पे होगी या किस काम को नहीं कर सकती हैं वीमेन. सो ऑन दीज बेसिस इन आवर कंट्री नो वन कैन डिस्क्रिमिनेट. नाउ फॉर्म्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. यू रीड अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट, देयर वर्क and levels of the government. Now the forms of the government, because in different countries so many different type of government. You know, democracy, you must hear about the democracy. In our country is a democratic country, but you have heard about the Bhutan, king of Bhutan, and Jordan, Monaco, Queen of Britain. So these are not the democracy. A government can be of different types such as democracy and monarchy. Also others form also like dictatorship, but in this chapter we will discuss only about democracy and monarchy. So first of all, democracy means power to the people, for the people, by the people. So democracy क्या है? You know the voting system ना, that people move for casting their vote and after that the elections done and the prime minister and chief minister selected. So this is the system of democracy, in which the peoples having the right to vote and by their vote they choose their representative and after that the government formed by the people. So democracy. You know, democracy word means consisted of two words. Demos means the people, kratos means to rule by the people. So democracy means rule by the people. And now definition of democracy: a system of rule based upon government of the people, by the people and for the people. Means कि ऐसी government जिसे people ही select करते हैं, people ही बनाते हैं और वो people के लिए ही होती है. Means डेमोक्रेसी. हम वोट कास्ट की जाती है, वोट जिसकी ज़्यादा वोटिंग होती है वो विनर होता है और विनर होने के बाद आपकी गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म होती है. तो गवर्नमेंट किसने फॉर्म की? हमने फॉर्म की. सो डेमोक्रेसी क्या है? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द पीपल. सो इन ए डेमोक्रेसी द पीपल ऑफ द कंट्री होल्ड द रियल पावर टू रन द गवर्नमेंट. पीपल इलेक्ट देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स टू फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. And due to this representative nature of his government, it is called a representative democracy. Because हम इसमें represent करते हैं. Because democracy also in two types: direct democracy and indirect democracy. Direct means all the population participate in the selection of prime minister or chief minister. But in our country it is not possible in a direct way. Not by their representative or leaders. In the direct way, just all gathered in a place and choose their prime minister. So it is possible? Not possible. Because in our country so much population, not an area that in a place that all population can gather. So this is called representative democracy. Representative means कि हम वोट कास्ट करते हैं और उसके बाद वो जिन्हें हम चूज करते हैं वो आगे गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करते हैं. बट डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी में क्या होता है कि पूरी पीपल्स एक साथ कलेक्ट होते हैं और उसके बाद वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को चूज करते हैं विदाउट देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. तो हम किस डेमोक्रेसी को फॉलो करते हैं? रिप्रेजेंटेटिव डेमोक्रेसी.